So the process of building multiple pages is really a simple one. We're going to just copy and paste our existing file and then switch out our graphics with the correct headers, and then we'll start to build up our content inside of each of the pages. All right, let's go ahead and close this file and save it if it asks you. Okay, I'm going to actually turn off this piece here because I don't really hardly ever use it, and I'll get you out of the habit as well. Let's go to Files. And index is really going to be our main piece that we're going to be working with. So I'm just going to Control C and Control V to paste, and then we can rename this file. So this will be gallery. Okay. And it's saying update the links. Yeah, there's no need to update. We don't have anything linked together yet, so let's just get all the pieces ready. Okay, Control C and V, we'll paste this and call this Contact Us. Remember, no spaces. Okay, I'm not going to update. No spaces in your file name. Okay. Special editions, I'm not going to update. And testimony. Actually, I'll call this testimonial. Testimonials. All right. So that should be all of my pages here. I'm going to just kind of tuck these away. You noticed it added a new folder for us called Library. So that's it added those automatically to our setup here. And what I want to do now is open each one of these one by one, change out the content, and get everything kind of ironed out of what we needed to have. So we'll start first with this header image. Okay, that way as we tweak this out, it'll be very easy for you to see the changes as they're happening. All right, we'll go to our property set here, and the first thing I'll do is I'll show you how to browse for this with the file folder. So we're going to go to the interface. Okay, so our images, interface, and this is going to be the home. So the main image home, you can see this kind of preview here. We'll click OK, and there it is. That's our first image. Okay. We'll close this out, say yes, we're going to save. Now you can open your files from up here as well. So you can go to Open. Okay, the next one we'll do is Contact Us. Another way of working with these images, we can first go find where they are. Okay, so there's the Contact Us image. So you can highlight this main banner stand-in or placeholder, and then you could click and drag to the file that you want to replace it with. So I prefer to actually work that way. It's a little bit faster, a little more intuitive. Okay, we'll open up testimonials. Okay, we'll go ahead and replace that image there, just like that. Special editions. Okay, Control S to save. And then we have a gallery. So I'll go ahead and link that to gallery. All right, so all of our pages are linked. What we our graphics have been added to all of our pages. What we want to do now, and let me actually open up one of these and show you what it looks like. If you get this error, okay, it's pretty much saying that it's using active content. You can allow blocked content. Okay, you can say yes, and there you go. I'll show you a little trick here. The reason it's giving you that error is because of this flash file. All right, and I'll show you how you can avoid that while you're testing here in just a little bit. All right, only one of these is linked, and it's not really linked to anything. So how do we fix this? Well, we're going to open up our library element. And you can actually access your library elements directly in this file palette. You don't have to go to Assets if you don't want to. Assets is a little bit neater, but here we are right here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the word Home, and where it has this link, I'm going to delete that. And you can link things the same way. You can use your folder menu, so we can go to Index. Okay, that's linked. Okay, Special Editions. You can use the little click and dragger here, so we can go to Special Editions. Okay, Gallery. Now, you could see previously linked things here, but since we don't have any previously linked, you're going to have to go to a different way, and so you can use this hyperlink option here. Okay, and that will be Gallery. Again, I like just the intuitiveness of just clicking and dragging. I just find that to be faster for the way I work. Okay, and then Contact Us. Okay, here's what's great about this. I'll hit Save, or Close, and I'll hit Save. It's going to ask me, do I want to update? Yes, I do. There it is. It's done. And now let's preview. Okay, I'll go ahead and activate my ActiveX, and I'll show you that here in just a second, how to get around that. All right, I'm going to hit F5 to refresh, and you can see all of these are now linked. If I go to Contact Us, Testimonials, Gallery, Special Editions, back to Home. Now, why did we go through this whole process of building out each of these pieces? Well, it would have been, we would have had to open every page. So we have 5 pages. Each page has 5 links. So we would have had to have tweaked out 25 links. And the chances of you making a mistake greatly increase with every new page that you add. Where in this instance, if we add one more page, we can just add it to this list, pushes everything down, link it, and all the pages are linked. So library elements, just one of the greatest functions of Dreamweaver. I think you'll find it hugely helpful when building up your pages. All right, let's go in and tweak this color. I'm not really a big fan of that color. We're going to go with a lighter orange. Okay, and that's done in the style sheet. So we'll just go to this menu here, and I'm going to pick this lighter orange. Okay, and let's just save our work and preview it real quick. Now, to get rid of that little thing that's always popping up, this is an ActiveX control because of this flash file. What you can do is go to Commands and insert this called Insert Mark of the Web. By doing that, okay, we'll just save this. You can see that it didn't give us this little error, and it went ahead and pulled up our file correctly. So there we go. Nice, clean, elegant. We've got exactly everything that we want. Now let's go in and start building some of the pages, and I'll show you how to format your elements as you add them to your pages.